Hi there, my name is Randy Fay. I'm one of the maintainers of the DDEV project, and I'm just going to demonstrate for you how to use start.coder.ddev.com, the new experimental DDEV in the cloud service, to test a Drupal core patch or to contribute to it, an issue fork. So what we're going to do is take a look and find a Drupal core issue that we want to look at. Here is one that is ready to be accepted, ready to be merged, it says. So we're going to take a look at it. It has an issue fork. It has a branch that we can use. So let's take that and try it out. If we go down here and roll down below the fold, we see we have a Drupal core issue picker. We're going to open that and paste the link in here. We can also just put the number in there and we will load that issue. Now it says what branch we're going to use, the install profile, and we're going to use head against it, which is the version that it uses. And we've got a default workspace name. I'm going to open that, and that opens in Coder. I do have to be logged into Coder with GitHub, so I'm going to copy this, open and paste it, activate it, and now we should be close here. So here we are, and it's giving us the option mostly on the same things again. And now it's going to go out and get that actual issue fork, get the actual the code that is required for it, and set up that project for us so that we can test it or contribute to it. We can actually contribute to it because it's going to be checked out in our code. We can use VS Code Desktop, VS Code Web. We have a terminal that we can use, and we can use MailPit and all the things with it. So this is actually going to do a Drush SI to install the whole thing, and it will be up here in a moment. Right now it's starting the project as you would do on a local environment, and in a moment it will check out the things that we need. It's already given us the URLs that we're going to need. Now it's checking out the issue fork that we need, and we'll take a look at that in just a moment. And it's going to do after it's done that, it'll do the composer install and the Drush SI. This is using the Joachim scaffolding for projects like this, that makes it so that you can work with Git on a regular Drupal project. So here we are. We're doing the composer update and install. And it's almost ready. And now it's doing the install for us so that we can use it. You see that the indicators here already show that the Drupal site is happy. We've got admin for the things that we need. And now we should be able to open this project now, and we can actually log in here and go demonstrate whether this problem is solved. So this one is this is the undefined array key and add all bundles. So I'm sure there's a path in here to figure out how that works. We can open up VS Code Web or VS Code Desktop. We can use MailPit. We can use Terminal. Here's the DDEV list, DDEV describe. DDEV describe shows us the the links that we can use for this. So we're all set to be able to demonstrate this. And we have Git here, it's in repos Drupal. And here's the remotes. We have a remote for the issue and a remote for the actual upstream Git. And if I do a Git log here, I'll see the things that have been done on this that are ready to go. And we are ready to test this or contribute to it. We can actually push into this issue fork or whatever. So there we are. In under 6 minutes, we just launched and are able to contribute to a Drupal core issue. And of course, I can actually, at this point, I can check out a different issue fork or different issue, and I can work on this all day on different issues without any trouble. It's manual past this point. DDEV is the coder.ddev.com has done the work for us to get this one started, but we can just continue to use this workspace. We don't have to open another one if we want to work on other projects. So I hope you'll give it a try. Look forward to hearing from you about how you like the new coder.ddev.com and the launcher at start.coder.ddev.com. Thanks a bunch.